What's up, YouTube? Okay, so I'm gonna ask you a few yes or no questions, and for each yes that you give me back, I want you to add 1 point to your final score. Ready? 1. Are you addicted to your phone? 2. Do you ask for the Wi-Fi password when you go to restaurants? 3. Do you always carry your phone charger with you? 4. Do you check Instagram even after seeing the recent posts? 5. Do you feel your phone vibrate even when it's not? 6. Is your phone the last thing you see before you sleep? 7. Is your phone the first thing you see when you wake up? I want you to round up all your points now. If you scored a 0, you're a gosh dang liar. Also, you're probably a baby, and if that's the case, thanks for watching. But if you scored anything from a 1 to a... it doesn't matter. You suffer from nomophobia. The fear of not being constantly connected to your phone. Now, before I move on, I just want you to know that this video stands against everything that I or this channel stands for. But then again, this is about a smart gadget, so it technically, it stands for what this channel stands for. But anyway, imagine a phone the size of a credit card or a Starbucks gift card. Now, imagine this phone doesn't have the texting functionality. You can't send emails either. You can't keep up your snap streaks either. You most certainly can't play games on it. You can't even scroll aimlessly on Instagram anymore. But wait, Prithvi, what's the point of this phone then? To serve the function of exactly what it is. A phone. The Light Phone 1 is your phone away from phone. It's a phone that lets you leave your main phone at home while actually enjoying your life for yourself instead of for others. Having launched on Kickstarter in 2015, this phone actually only costed $150. So the whole gist of what Light Phone really is as follows. You have your credit card type of phone and you have only 9 speed dials. So you have your main phone, which is at home or low-key with you because you can't live without your phone. But the point of this is your phone is not with you, and every call your phone gets, you forward it to your Light Phone. And on your actual Light Phone, you can only make 9 calls. Your 9 closest amigos. Now, expected to be released in 2019 is the Light Phone 2.
If how we spend our days is always connected, staring at our screens, well, that will be how we spend the rest of our lives. You see, as humans, we are vulnerable, and our smartphones are engineered to use these vulnerabilities against us. This is why we've intentionally designed a phone to be used as little as possible. It's a phone that encourages you to leave behind your smartphone, to spend that quality time doing the things that you love the most. Introducing the Light Phone 2. A beautiful math display, 4G connectivity, and messaging. We are humans, and we're taking back our lives.
Now, this is a bit more advanced than the Light Phone 1 was. It has more functionalities, and instead of being your phone away from phone, it's your only phone. This will let you send basic texts, check your maps, maybe hear some music, or potentially even call an Uber. But listen, I know a girl whose one goal is to visit Rome. Then she finally got to Rome, and all she did was post pictures of people at home. Also, that's a Drake lyrics, and I've tried this take like 30 times to like memorize it and say it, but it's... Try it. Say that line without looking and I promise you'll be confused. But my point is, I advocate for smart gadgets and how useful it is in our lives, but wouldn't it be cool to just one day travel or go somewhere, go to a lake, a forest, a swimming pool or whatever, and just not worry about impressing others or filtering your sunset pictures, checking people's online activity, just enjoying the moment. Don't get me wrong, I don't think I could. Like, I would love to, but I don't think I could. Can you? Like, think about it. And don't forget to get your geek on.